What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this easy, delicious, flaky seasoned rice recipe. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so we're going to start today's recipe off by adding 2 tablespoons of salted butter. And after you add your butter and it's fully melted, then we're going to add 1 cup of basmati rice. Go ahead and give it a nice little stir. And then we're going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of green seasoning. Mix it in. Add your all-purpose seasoning. Mix it in. Then we're going to add 2 cups of hot water. Mix it up again. Then we're just going to bring this to a boil, turn it down to low heat, and let it simmer. Yes, guys, so this is the finished product right here. My ultimate, easy to make, seasoned rice recipe. Ooh, smelling so good. Yes, guys, so this recipe right here is so easy to make. It's only going to take you about 15 to 20 minutes for the rice to be fully cooked, nice and flaky, well seasoned. Wow. Definitely check it out, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence.